Hello students, welcome to Saurabh Sir's classes. Welcome to Saurabh Sir's classes. In our today's video, we are going to talk about or discuss the question number 2 of IIT JAM 2019 paper. So we are going to discuss question number 2 of IIT JAM 2019 paper. So let us see what the question goes like. So in the question, the data is given to be that if A1 and B1 both are equal to 0. Now let's see what is this A1 and B1 in the question, and for each n which is greater than equal to 2, any value of n and any value of b, A and any value of b are real numbers, and the value can be written in general form, that is it can be written in this form and in this form. So an is given to be summation of m equal to 2 from 2 to n minus 1 to the power m into m log m whole to the power m. So let us write what is given here as an. So a of n is given to be summation m from 2 to n minus 1 whole to the power m into m divided by log of m and that whole to the power m. So this is our a of n given in this form. This is the general form of a to the power n, and the general form of b to the power n for all n greater than 2 is given to be b of n is given to be summation of m from 2 to n 1 upon log of m and this entire thing whole to the power m. So we know the general form of a and we know the general form of b. Now in the question you can see that a1 and b1 are both equal to 0, that is they are starting from 0. So the sequence is starting from 0, and whenever these two values are equal to 2 or greater than 2, then these values, the value of a and the value of b, can be written in a general form of this, that is in this form or in this form. Okay, so the question which is going to ask here is that which of the following is true about the sequence of an and bn. So basically this an and bn follows a sequence. So we are asked that this sequence whose general form is this and this, which of the value of the sequence is true. So we have got 4 options, and the options are that both a of n and b of n are divergent, a of n is convergent and b of n is divergent, a on f is divergent and b of n is convergent, or the last option is both a of n and b of n are convergent. So as we can see that we are given the general form of the sequence, and the sequence is starting from 2, because in the question it is already given that for all n greater than equal to 2 we have this an and bn have values of real number, isn't it? So that is why this value of a to the power a of n and b of n is starting from m equal to 2 and going up to n, and in case of b also is starting from n equal to 2 and going up to n. So that's the reason why it's given to be why it's given is because n is greater than 2. When n is greater than 2, these two sequence are real numbers. Okay, now let us discuss that what is a convergent and a divergent sequence. Okay, so let us discuss these two concepts in very brief, so that we can get an idea about what is convergency and what is divergency, and it would become easier for us to solve this question. So let us discuss that what is convergent and what is divergent. Okay, so convergent sequence is any sequence, it is any sequence we are discussing about convergent. Okay, convergent. So convergent is any sequence that if it approaches towards a particular limit, that if any sequence converges or approaches to a particular limit, then that sequence is called convergent sequence, and if does not follow this criteria, then that is divergent sequence. So this is the basic concept of convergency and divergency. So I hope you understood this thing, and now we will move forward to solve this question. Okay students, so let us continue solving this question, and the data so let us insert a page so that it will be more easier for us to solve this question. So inserting a page, so let us write that what are first write down that what are the data given to us. So it is given that a1 is equal to b1 is equal to 0. It is already been provided to us. For n greater than equal to 2, we have two parts. Firstly, we have a of n, which is equal to summation of m from 2 to n minus 1 to the power m into m divided by log of m whole to the power m, and b of n is given to be summation of m from 2 to n 1 upon log of m and whole to the power n. Okay, so now we will be solving this question, and we have already written all the data which are provided here. Now we will be solving this question. So solution, will be now coming to the solution part. So we know for any sequence part we need to find first, we need to find the evaluate this thing un to the power 1 by n. So first we will be solving this thing for an, and then we will be solving this thing for bn. So for an, let's solve an to the power 1 by n. So we will be reaching to a point where it will be m to the power 1 by n divided by log m whole to the power m whole to the power 1 by n. So it will be m of 1 to the power n upon log of n. So clearly from this part we can see that this is less than 1. This is very much clear from this thing that this is less than 1. Now for b to the power n, b of n, sorry. So for b of n, it will be summation. Here we have to write summation as well. Summation m from 2 to n. So this was our original form given to the power 1 by n. Now clearly from this we can see that this is also less than 1. So in both the a of n and b of n, we are getting that both are less than 1. So both are less than 1. So since both are less than 1, so what is the case? So we know that when any sequences u of n whole to the power 1 by n is less than 1, it implies that this is a convergent sequence. It means that this sequence and this sequence both are convergent. So if you can remember, in our question we had an option where both the sequence are convergent. So let's see that where we have that option. So you can see that in the last option it's given that both the sequence A of n and B of n are convergent. So option D is the right option of this question. So this value is coming to be, the answer of this is coming to be option number D. So this is all about this video, and if you have any doubt regarding this video, then you can contact us anytime at this number. This is our number 9836793076. This is our number. You can contact us anytime at this number, or you can visit our website. Our website is www.sauravsirclasses.com. So this is our website. You can visit this website for further details. And up to for this video, thank you students.